Hey guys, Rominating Reaper here. So, it's time for a quick little Blu-ray unboxing because just had come through my door a package from Amazon, a last minute pre-order I made. It was released yesterday. Wasn't meant to come till tomorrow, but it arrived today. So it came a day late, but also a day early at the same time. Like, that is a very funny predicament to be in. I've just had come through my door the Blu-ray of Robot Dreams. A Curzon release. This I didn't see this at the cinema. In fact, I think barely released in cinemas any near me anyway. But I had been hearing a lot of great things about this, so yeah, really looking forward to giving this one a go. So yeah, you got the front cover here. You got the robot and the dog there. Nice little simple image there, and you got some reviews there, and the best animated feature Oscar nominee. Didn't win, of course, Boy and the Heron won, but yeah, all that there. They have very nice looking cover overall. You got the spine there, and the back, with a nice little image, some special features all about the film, technical specs. If you want to read all of this, you can. It's just a fairly standard bare bones release. You've got the same type of case that the Criterion Collection releases use. No slipcover or anything. Just the case. So you'll get the shrink wrap off, and we can have a better look at this. There we go, that is the shrink wrap off, and we can get a better look at the front artwork, at the back. And you'd also get a better look at the fact that this has arrived damaged. Cheers, Amazon. Real proud of you for that one. I'm gonna have to get a replacement case for that. But yeah. So yeah, that's the cover of Robot Dreams. So inside here we have just the one disc. It's a very plain disc, just blue, dark blue disc, and the title there and the Curzon logo. It's very bare bones stuff. But we have a look inside. We also have a reversible cover. Yeah, so we've got obviously the Curzon formatting there. You've got dark blue all around. You've got a simple little image, and some little images there on all about the film as well, and a glowing review quote from Guillermo del Toro describing it as beautiful, unexpected, and tender. So yeah, looking forward to watching this. If Guillermo del Toro is singing its praises, should be a good one. Hopefully I'll get a review out for it soon. Yeah, I'll definitely be getting onto this as soon as I can. Yeah, we'll get the get it back in there. And there we go, that is the damaged Blu-ray of Robot Dreams. Let me know, have you seen the film? What did you think of it? Have you got this Blu-ray release? Let me know all that down in the comments. Let me know if yours has arrived in mint condition. Let me know all that down in the comments. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload.